Hey, let me show you how I can clean the charging port of JBL Go Essential 2nd generation. So you can find this USB port on the left side right here, but also in some different regions you can also find this charging port inside over this cover. And right now I will try to zoom in a little bit closer just to show you how it actually looks. There we go. So now you can prepare the thin item. I'm gonna use actually this SIM ejection tool, and you will have to apply that right here inside and try to gently swipe into the left side like this, and try to just remove everything that is inside the port. There we go. Try to do this one more time, and you can just do this over and over just to simply remove everything that is inside. Of course, be sure that you are doing this, gently, to don't break anything. And that's basically how you can do this with the household items.